Instant AI might be the answer you've been looking for. So in this comprehensive review, we will explore its features, the pricing, and whether it lived up to the hype. So to get started with that, what is instant AI? Instant AI is your email marketing secret weapon. It's like a tools designed to help you reach more people and get more response from your emails. How? By allowing you to contact unlimited emails accounts, warm them up using a vast network of real instant users, and strategy rotate sending through this account called inbox rotation. This keep your email out of the spam folder and boost deliverability, so your message actually reach your potential customer. So here are the top benefit about this AI website, which is unlimited accounts. You can connect to all your email accounts in one place, maximizing your outreach potential. You also have access to improve deliverability and instantly turn lead into a client, which help you streamline your entire sales process from lead generation to closing deal. It also helps you, simplify the cold emailing, which access a vast database of verified leads, craft personalized email with the AI assistance, and automate your outreach campaign. And also, here are the best features of this AI website, which is unlimited email account with a smart warm-up inbox rotation. You also have access to AI-powered lead finder with a intuitive campaign builder and on unified inbox smart scheduling. And here are the pricing place for this website. They have different plan for the pricing list. They have the growth plan, the hype growth plan, the light speed plan, the enterprise, and all of that. So if you want more information about this, you have to refer to the website to get more important information about the pricing plans. You can decide which plan you are going for. And here are the pros and cons about this platform. So talking about the pro, it helps you to stop spam, more emails inbox, find leads fast, easy to set up for emails, and track what works. Here's the downside. It's pricey for some. There are a few app link and a support can be slow. So that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this AI website and see if it's lived up to your expectation.